Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock pop-ups on Google Chrome in your MacBook. So first of all, open up the Google Chrome. Now once you're here, you need to open the settings of the Google Chrome. So click on the three dots that you see right here at the top right corner. Then click on settings at the bottom. Now use the search bar at the top and simply write POP. Alright. Now at the bottom you can see site settings. You need to click here. Now again scroll down simply, and now the option that you see pop-ups and redirects, click here. Now here's the default behavior. Sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. So right now, as you can see, I have selected don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. That means I have blocked them. In order to unblock it, you need to simply click here. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So few banking websites and few other important websites, they actually open up the pop-ups that are required. So while using them, you can use this setting here, okay, sites, so that sites can open the pop-up. And once you do this, it is automatically saved and you don't need to do any other thing. So this is how you can use it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.